You don't have to show up with everything you need in perfect order, but bringing the right documents and information to your first meeting can make a big difference. At your first meeting with legal aid, you'll be asked about your legal issue and any important dates or deadlines coming up. Being prepared helps us understand your situation faster and start working on your case sooner. Here's what you should bring. Any letters or court papers related to your case. That includes eviction notices, custody pleadings, benefit letters from Social Security or the Department of Human Services, anything from the court or government, even if you're not sure whether or not it's important. A list of names and contact information for people involved in your case. This might include landlords, former partners, caseworkers, or witnesses who saw what happened. Supporting documents like a lease, pay stubs, medical records, or police reports. If it helps tell your story, it helps us help you. Other evidence includes photos, videos, text, emails, social media posts. We understand you might not have everything, but the more we can see at the beginning of your case, the better we can help. If we need other documents, we may be able to help you track it down or explain how to get a copy. If your appointment is by phone, you can make arrangements to drop off the paperwork at the closest legal aid office. You can also email, fax, or text these documents. If your appointment is in person, you can bring these with you to the appointment. The advocate will usually only meet with the client due to attorney-client confidentiality requirements. If you bring another person, they are not usually part of the meeting. If you can arrange for childcare, that would be best. If you are unable to arrange for childcare or have to reschedule the appointment, call before your appointment to talk to your advocate. They can work with you to reschedule or figure out a good solution. During your first meeting, an advocate or attorney will talk with you about your legal problem, gather details, and review any documents you've brought. But that meeting doesn't mean that legal aid has agreed to represent you in court. Once your case is assigned to an advocate or attorney, they will talk with you about your case and let you know what services they can offer. Legal aid cannot provide in-court representation to every eligible person. You may be asked to sign a retainer agreement, which will include what services legal aid can do for you. They can give advice or help you draft a letter or pleadings, call someone on your behalf, or provide direct representation. Remember, legal aid services are all free to our clients. Come to your first meeting ready to talk about your situation honestly and bring what you can. After that, it is our job to figure out the next steps and to guide you through them. You don't have to have it all figured out before you walk through the door. That's why we're here.